Hello guys. Today I'm going to install Apache NetBean 12.5 and Eclipse JDK version 8. Here's the latest version. You can download it from here, eclipse.net, and Apache 12.5 from Apache NetBean. So you can download from here for Linux, Macs, and Windows. And I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it now. First of all, I'm going to install JDK8 first because you can't install NetBean unless you install JDK first. So I'm going to install JDK8. In this case, you have to set install the Java home variables, so you don't have to worry about like system environment, so you don't have to worry about environment setting. So I'm going to install the register key as well. I'm going to click next now and install. Now it's finished, so I'm going to check in command prompt JavaX as version. So you can see it's version of Java this version. Because we have already installed Java Home, so we don't need to worry about the environment setting. If, if you don't install Java Home variable, you have to add here Java Home and in environment setting. So now I'm going to install NetBean 12.5. Accepts, and I'm going to click next. Here you can choose your installation folder. Here we have JDK8 for Apache. I'm going to check update. Installation is begins. Installing Java SE, installing Java EE, installing PHP, and checking for updates. Now we have finished installations for NetBean 12.5. Now I'm going to run the NetBean 12.5 that we have installed. Yeah, it is asking to install NB JavaX library. That is highly recommended. I'm going to click install JavaX and next and accept. Install. It's downloading the plugin. I'm going to restart the ID now. Now I have to agree or no thank you, whatever you like. I'm going to click new projects and I'm going to click Java applications. We have to activate Java SE because the program is running first time. So here's the application, and we can also add the library Java with end and Java class library and finish. And that's it. So enjoy NetBean 12.5. Thank you very much.